Hi guys, welcome back to Econ Time with SK. So grab your notebooks, your favorite cup of coffee, and let's get started. So in this video, we are going to work on the interpretation of the income elasticity of demand. Let's say that you calculate your income elasticity of demand and you find it to be plus 2.35. Okay, how do you interpret this? This essentially means that as your income goes up by 10%, your demand goes up by 23.5%. That's how you're going to read it. So already we're seeing that, a plus sign means income goes up, demand's also going to go up. The plus sign is telling me that this is a normal good. Okay, and what does this tell me? The number itself. So remember, for the number we just see, is it more than 1 or less than 1? Well, in this case it is more than 1. Since it's more than 1, it's telling me that the good is income elastic. Income elastic means demand is very responsive to a change in income. Okay, so can you think of a good where when income increases, people react quite a lot and they, run to the stores and they really increase their purchases? Now let's look at the alternate case. Let's say your income elasticity of demand, you calculate it to be plus 0.79. Okay, so as we've already seen, this plus sign tells me that we are dealing with a normal good, right? And this here, this number, we know that 0.79, it is less than 1, right? So we can say that the good is income inelastic. So if it is income inelastic, we're basically saying the demand is not very responsive to a change in income. So if you were to read this, you would say that as income increases by 10%, demand for a particular good, it would increase by 7.9%. So now, can you think of goods that you would call income elastic versus goods that you would label as income inelastic? It's always easier to understand when you see a contrast in front of you. So something like, let's say, mugs. Hardly ever is it that people are sort of saving up for mugs, right? It's just basic drink water mugs. So you would expect here that it is more likely to be income inelastic. All right. Yes, when income increases, people may increase the purchase of mugs, but it's not going to be, it's more likely going to be like, people's income goes up, the demand for mug goes up, something like this. On the other hand, if you're thinking of some big purchase, let's say smartphone, right? For a good like this, it's more likely to be income elastic. So income goes up, people really rush into the stores to purchase more of this good, right? So demand goes up more than proportionately. Okay, so notice though, in both cases, both of these goods are normal goods. In this slide, we discussed normal goods, specifically whether they are income elastic or income inelastic. In the next slide, we're going to look at the case for inferior goods. Again, we will be looking at what we mean by inferior goods being income elastic or income inelastic. All right, guys, I shall see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.